Hello friends, welcome to Info World. Today's topic is based on import and export of principal agricultural commodities. Friends, all data mentioned in this video has been taken from Ministry of Agriculture website, so you can rely upon it. In this video, we will analyze some of the maximum imported and maximum exported agri commodities and their contribution in total Indian imports and exports. So, let's start without any delay. Here on your screen, you can see export performance of some of the years since 1990. It is very clear that export contribution in total Indian export has declined overall. From 18.49% in the year 1991, we have come to 12.86% in 2018. The decline has not been consistent. It reached the highest in the year 1997, contributing 20.33%, while the lowest export recorded in the year of 2008-9 at the time of Great Depression. Now coming to the import performance summary. Agri import contribution in total import has climbed up in last some years. It was only 2.8% of total import in 1991, while the highest agri import was seen in the year of 1999. In the year 1999, agri import contribution was 8.17%, and that is the highest. The lowest recorded agri import was seen in the year of 2008-9, again in the time of Great Economic Depression. The lowest agri import as well as export both were seen in the time of Great Depression, that is in the year of 2008-9. Now we are going to focus on some of the most imported items. Here items are listed that are imported every year. You can go through all items, but you need to remember the most imported items. You can see that the most imported item is vegetable oils in all the years. If we talk about year 2018, then its value stands approximately 75,000 crore. That is quite high. Coming to the second most imported item. Second most imported item in year 2018 is pulses, worth 18,748 crore. Apart from these items, we import cashew, spices, fresh fruits in good amount. Now coming to the conclusive import chart. Here list of other imported items are mentioned. You can go through it, however it is not important. Now coming to the conclusion. You can see that percentage share of agricultural import in national imports did not vary much in last 4 years. In the year 2015, it was 4.43%. In 2016, it was 5.63%. In the year 2017, it was 6.39%. And finally, in the year 2018, it was 5%. So it varied from approx 4.5% to 6.4% in last 4 years. Now heading towards export data analysis. Friends, there are many items that we import as well as export, like tea, coffee, pulses, etc. Here is the list of exported agri products. You can go through all items, but we will focus on some highly exported items. The highest exported item in 2018 in terms of value is basmati rice. Basmati rice alone accounts for 26,870 crore. Other varieties of rice also exported in good amount. Second highest exported item is buffalo meat that accounts for 26,035 crore, equal in value as basmati rice. Apart from these items, we export spices, oil meats, tea, etc. in good amount. Some other exported items are listed in this chart. You can go through it. Now heading towards conclusive export chart. Here you go to the conclusion. In all the years since 2015 till 2018, the percentage share of agri exports in total national export varied consistently from 12 to 13%. It is 12.86% for the year of 2018. Friends, I hope you have learnt many things about agri import and export of India. If anything missing or misinterpreted, you can comment in the comment box. If you liked the video, please like, share and subscribe. Any suggestion from your side will be highly appreciated. Thank you.